All right, welcome back to our annotation lesson. And we have highlighted 5 words in our text. And I chose mountains, volcanoes, cliffs, fields, and corn. In the next step, we're going to create our own dictionary. And to do that, there's a button for read and write called vocabulary. When you click on this, it's going to open a new document. And this is your own personal dictionary. All right, so you can see all the words that we chose are here. Cliffs, corn, fields, mountains, and volcanoes. It includes the definition or meaning, and it includes the symbol or the picture. Now, I want you to pause your video and click on that button in your document. Remember, the button is called vocabulary, and it will create your custom dictionary. Okay, great. Welcome back. Now, our job is to make sure that we understand these words. And to do that, we're going to translate the words into your language. Now, I know everybody speaks different languages, and you can choose your language in read and write. To do that, I want you to look for the 3 little buttons at the top right of your screen. It should say More when you hover over those buttons. If you click on it, go to Options and click on Options. Now, at the bottom, it says Translation, and it offers languages. You can choose your language. And if you go down, it should have all the languages that are in Google Translate. I'm going to choose Spanish because that's the language that I know the best. Okay, so I want you to pause the video, go to More, and select your language in the options. Okay, now that you've done that, we're going to translate some of these words. And the way that you do this is you highlight the word. You can click on it twice to highlight it. And at the top, this button is called the translator. So if you click on translator, it's going to translate this word cliffs into Spanish. So here's the word in English and in Spanish. And once I know the translation, if it looks the same as the picture and it makes sense, I'm going to type the translation into my notes. So I want you to pause the video and do the same thing for your language. Okay, so we can go and do all of our vocabulary. Corn, translate, in Spanish, and I can type here. All right, so I want you to continue and translate each of the words. When you're done, you're going to submit your assignment or share it with your teacher. And to do that, you're going to click on this button, Share.